The pinion gear drives your lawnmower's drive wheels. The gears are attached to the transmission shaft. Over time, the gears can wear, which can lead to them slipping against the wheel gears. A worn pinion gear will cause the plastic wheel gear to wear out much faster. Replacing the pinion gear is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front wheel. I'll use a 2x4 to prop the lawnmower up. I'll remove the wheel nut, and then slide the wheel away from the axle. I'll remove the large washer behind the wheel. Now I'll remove the retaining ring that secures the pinion to the transmission shaft. With the retaining ring removed, I can pull the pinion away from the shaft. Now install the new pinion gear. I align the slot in the back of the pinion gear with the drive pawl. You never want to grease the drive gears because the grease will attract dirt, which will quickly wear away the pinion gear and especially the plastic gear on the back of the wheel. Now re-secure this assembly with the retainer. And I'll reinstall the large washer. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the wheel. And that's how easy it is to replace the pinion gear on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.